Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we delete our fingerprint lock in our vivo phone device. Guys, you want to delete your fingerprint means guys you want to remove your fingerprint, so guys you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove fingerprint in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, we will have to click on guys our phone setting to remove fingerprint. Then I scroll it. Guys, you can see your security setting. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on fingerprint setting and guys do your pattern. So as you can see guys, this one fingerprint one and fingerprint two, and guys you want to add one more fingerprint, so as you can add from here guys. I want to remove it, so I will tap here to delete, and guys you can see this remove. So guys remove and delete both of. So as you can see guys, your fingerprint will not work in your vivo phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove fingerprint lock in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Right now we will meet on this next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.